been 1 hour, so I'm gonna do 3 sets of stretch and folds, 30 minutes apart. So it is 11 o'clock right now, so I'll do one now at 11:30 and then again at 12, and then we will be back after that for the next step. Okay, so it has been about 5.5 hours, and this has definitely risen by 50%. So I'm going to cover this and then put it in the fridge overnight. And then sometime in the morning, we will get this back out and we'll shape it. All right, so it's been about 18 hours in the fridge. So I'm going to roll this out. It said to very, very, very generously flour your counter, so I did. Now it says to generously flour the top of this. Okay, so basically I'm going to kind of just form this into a rectangle, and then cut about eight pieces, and we'll put it on this baking sheet right here and let it rise for a couple hours, and then we'll bake it. Yeah, it said basically don't be afraid to very generously flour this, and then you can wipe the excess flour off before you bake it. Wow, I did such a great job of making this even. Not. That's okay. Oh, pretty good. Nice and bubbly. I'm just gonna try to shape these to be a little bit better. Okay, let me see if I can show you. That is what they look like. And then I'm just gonna cover them with this towel. It is clean. Somehow it got stained, probably by tea, probably. Anyway, I'm gonna let it sit like that for 2 hours, maybe more. Also, if you've made it this far, hello, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing, especially since maybe you made it this far and you haven't subscribed. It would really mean a lot. If you're not new here, welcome back. Missed you. Hope you had a really good week. That's that. We're making ciabatta. Sourdough ciabatta. I maybe have made this one time in the past, but not in a video. So yeah, just come along with me. We'll make some sandwiches tonight, and we'll see how they turn out. All right, let's go. All right, I've set the oven to 475 and I'm going to bake these for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to drop the temperature to 425 and bake them for another 20 after that. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes at 475 and I'm gonna lower it to 425 like I said. But this is just a sneak peek of what they look like. They look really good so far. So like I said, I'm just going to lower the temperature and cook them for another 20 minutes. All right, those look fantastic. So I'm just gonna let these cool and we're gonna use them as sandwiches, as bread for sandwiches tonight. So I'll probably have Jonathan tell you what he thinks of them tonight during dinner. All right, I'm making the sandwiches and I have not cut into these yet. So we're gonna give it a whirl. We're gonna see what they look like on the inside. Oh, yes. These look so good. Oh, man. I am so impressed with the way these look. Oh, my goodness. Look at those bubbles. I'll let you know how they taste tonight. But so far, I can tell you this recipe is super, super, super easy. I mean, it takes like a day, but like it's minimal effort. So I can already tell you that this is probably going to be worth it. Let me make these sandwiches. The light. It's not good. It's pretty good.
I mean, I'll buy them from a store.
Hey, that is a compliment, I feel. It was nice and bubbly, like airy when I cut them in half.
I mean, it seems like a professional bakery.
Yeah, like Panera. Well, Panera is a chain. It used to be good. Now it's not. But we discussed before he tried this. I'm pretty sure I've made ciabatta bread before, but I don't know.
This is better if I remember. This is more light.
Yeah, I don't know if I've done the sourdough one before. I can't remember. But this is 100% the best it's ever come out. I think I have done it before. Maybe not sourdough, but it wasn't the best. I don't think.
It's
before.
okay. I think it's just thicker.
Mm-hmm. This is a lot more like light.
Yeah, this was like legit. Like if I picked this up in a store or a bakery. Yeah.
So we're gonna have our dinner. Jonathan rates it.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Wow. So yeah. We'll see. Huh? Oh.
I can just dip it in soup and eat it. So I mean, I'm saying.
Well, don't you worry, John. We have 6 more. So you probably will be dipping it in soup and eating it. Anyway, do you have anything else to add?
Really good.
Okay. 2 thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. We're gonna go eat our dinner now. Okay, bye!